All right, all right. So you see, as far as balancing equation is concerned, you have to just calm down, okay? Calm down. When you calm down, you'll be able to see, right? You'll be able to see. Yes. And if you can't see it clearly, just, you know, find a way to see it clearly. Okay, so we want to balance this. Look for the scariest thing. This one. All right. So what was that? CuCN2. Okay. So we have CN2 of it. So we have to come over to this side and place a 2 there. That should balance the CN at least. And then it should also make our hydrogen 2. And if you come over here to the right hand side, the hydrogen is also 2 there. So that's actually all. We're done.